I'm going to show you how to edit a CSV file so that it can be used on our school collector system. Thankfully, it's very simple. It's just a bunch of copy and pasting, and so I'm going to show you how to do this in a few short steps. I am using Google Spreadsheets that you see on your screen, but you can also do this with Microsoft Excel, and they both work very similar. First, I want to point out that if you're having a hard time opening the file on your computer, you might need to open up the program, either Google Spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel, and go to File, Import, or Upload, and then search for the CSV file there. That'll help you get it open. So I have a CSV file that my school may have provided me. You can see I have name, ID, grade, homeschool if maybe you come from a district with different schools within it. Maybe your CSV file also has the assigned AP and counselor. If I go to the school collector instructions, which is where you found this video, you can see a screenshot of what we need our CSV to look like. The problem is if they don't match, the software can't identify the right columns. So we need to make it match and look just like this picture. So you can see all I need is ID, first name, last name, grade, and school. So I'm going to go back to my sample CSV, and there are lots of different ways you can edit this. I'm going to actually start by deleting the columns I don't need. So I'm going to delete this column, and you can see I'm either clicking this arrow, or you can just simply highlight it and hit the delete button. That works as well. And here are the 4 columns that I need. On my sample file, I can see I need student ID all the way to the left, and then first name and last name. So I'm going to go back. And to get student ID over there, I'm going to start by just highlighting these 2. You can click Edit, Cut, or right-click, Edit, Cut. And I'm just going to put them off to the side because I will need them later. So I'm going to click here. This time maybe I'll choose to click the arrow, paste, or you can go back and do Edit, Paste. Alright, so student ID needs to be all the way to the left. I'm going to cut that. Click here. This time, how about I right-click instead? Paste it. And if I go back to my file, you can see next I need is first name, then last name, then grade, and then school. So first name, cut, put it here, right-click, paste, last name, cut, and paste, grade, and homeschool. Now the last thing when we look here is we see that there are no uppercase letters. Unfortunately, the software doesn't recognize an uppercase, so we just need to rename each of these columns to make sure that they match. All lowercase, all lowercase, all lowercase, and just simply school. Now, if you come from a district with only one school, or you're using a CSV file from just one school, you might not have this column. However, some districts that use us do need to use this column. So all you can just simply do is write down school, and let's pretend these were all blank for you because maybe you didn't have that column. Say you are from North High School, just write in North. Then you can click on this and drag it all the way down just to fill in the school name to be the same for every student. And there you go. Now you have it all set, and you can save it and upload this into our system. If you still have any questions, don't hesitate to email us for help.